Brainy Encoders present AI Evolution, a dialectical take. Friend, let us begin with the most fundamental question: how it all began. So, first came early foundation, ancient myths and automations. The concept of artificial beings with the intelligence appears in Greek mythology, such as the bronze giant Talos and the mechanical servant built by Greek god Hephaestus. During 17th-18th century, philosophers like René Descartes and Thomas Hobbes speculated on the nature of human thought and its mechanic representation. The development of formal logic by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz laid groundwork for later computational theories. Then, in beginning of 20th century, the term robot was introduced by Czech writer Karel Čapek. Karel Čapek wrote a play called RUR, which stands for Rozum Universal Robots. In this play, he introduced the term robot, derived from the Czech word robota, meaning forced labor or drudgery. Čapek robots were designed to perform menial tasks, freeing humans from manual labor. But in true dramatic fashion, things took a turn for the worse. The robots, tired of their servitude, rebelled against their creators. The play ends on a rather grim note with the extinction of the human race. Then, in 1943, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts proposed a model of artificial neurons, marking a significant steps toward neural networks. In 1950, a pivotal moment occurred when British mathematician Alan Turing published his paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence, proposing famous Turing test to evaluate machine intelligence. The test was designed to address the question, can machine think? The test involved 3 participants: a human interrogator, a human respondent, and a machine. The interrogator is isolated from other 2 and communicates with them through written message. The goal of the interrogator is to determine which participant is the machine and which is the human based on their responses to various questions. The machine is said to have passed the Turing test if the interrogator cannot reliably distinguish the machine from the human respondent based solely on their answers. Then, the actual birth of AI started. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference officially marked the birth of AI as a field. McCarthy even coined the term artificial intelligence. Then, in 1950 and 1960s, early AI research focused on symbolic methods and problem solving. Notable projects included Logic Theorist and the General Problem Solver by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, and McCarthy development of the programming language Lisp. Lisp is the second oldest high-level programming language still in common use after Fortran. Despite early success, AI faced challenges in scaling and dealing with real-world complexity, leading to reduced funding and interest, a period known as First AI Winter.